Espresso is the fundamental ingredient to every coffee beverage we love, so it has to be good. With your Beanz subscription, you're getting incredible coffees with every delivery, and they need to be dialed in to get the best flavors possible. Hi, I'm from Veneziano. At Veneziano, we've been roasting and serving you every day since 2002. Today, we're going to dial in Elevate on the Barista Pro. Assuming you have selected the double cup option on the Barista Pro, place the single wall basket in the portafilter. We're at the same starting point. Here's what my bar setup looks like from accessories to placement. Pause here if you need a minute to set yourself up for the brew along. At minimum, grab a dry towel. I've got Elevate in my hopper right now, and I'm excited to dial in with you on this dynamic duo. My grind setting is at a 12 and yours may be different, and that's okay. Remove the portafilter and dry and wipe it out. Alright, grab that dosing funnel and slip it on. This is just a handy little tool that Breville has included that helps you keep all the grounds in the basket in the grinding process. I'm going to do two things at the same time. I'm going to grind coffee and purge the brew group a couple of seconds just to refresh the water system and remove any residual coffee from the previous cycle. My brew recipe is 18 grams of freshly ground coffee. We are going for 27 to 30 seconds of brew time, and that will yield 32 grams of espresso. It's going to look like you have a lot of coffee, and we're going to verify that shortly. Just settle the bed like you would a cake pan. Set the dosing funnel aside and grab your tamper. Align your wrist and elbow in a straight line, thumbs facing each other, and just press into the bed until it stops moving. And that's it. Remember, we are aiming for 18 grams of coffee. Head over to your knockbox. All you're going to do is slide it in across the surface of the bed and get rid of any of those loose coffees. If you have the right dose, it should barely touch the surface of the coffee. Alright, let's give it a quick polish. This is a no pressure finish polish, just a little twist. Wipe any excess coffee from the basket just so you can ensure that watertight seal. Insert the portafilter into the group head, press the double cup button and grab your cup. You shouldn't see the first drops of espresso until around the 7 to 9 second mark. The machine starts at a low pressure and water is moved through the puck up to a high pressure. This is called pre-infusion. This will result in a slow saturation of the bed and a full extraction of sugars, acids, omegas and lipids that make up a delicious espresso. And there it is. That's the shot I was looking for. Alright, let's taste our work. Elevate has a smooth and rich body with notes of milk chocolate, caramel and a honey finish. Did your shot look and taste like mine? The number one goal of adjusting the grind is to either slow down or speed up the flow of water running through the coffee bed. Don't be afraid of this step. We can always adjust it back. If the water flow is too fast, the coffee may taste sour. Adjust the grind a couple of notches finer to slow down the water through the bed. If the flow is too slow, the coffee could taste bitter or roasty. Adjust the grind a couple of notches coarser to speed up the flow of water through the coffee bed. Over time, all these steps will become second nature and you'll go from having good coffee sometimes to great coffee every time. Explore all our curated specialty coffees at beanz.com by Breville.